Auto start purifier. Number 1, open the necessary valves. Fuel oil inlet valve from settling tank, fuel oil outlet valve going to service tank, sludge discharge valve, fresh water or operating water valve, bypass valve or flow control valve. Number 2, set the temperature to 98 degrees Celsius and open the steam inlet valve of heater and double check if the steam outlet valve is open. Number 3, start the purifier at hintayin mag-stable ang current. Number 4, press the auto start. At ito ang nangyayari sa loob ng ating purifier. Una, magbubukas ang solenoid valve 2 or SV2 for closing the bowl, SV3 for replacement water, SV1 for opening the bowl to discharge water inside, SV2 ulit for closing the bowl, SV3 for sealing water. Then magchi-change over na ang 3-way pneumatic cylinder valve or SV4 for feeding. And the purification process starts. Number 5, mag-discharge test to confirm again na nagdi-discharge nga ng maayos ang ating purifier. Number 6, adjusting parameters. For pressure, mag-adjust sa outlet valve. For temperature, sa heater steam inlet valve. And for feed rate, pwedeng sa inlet valve, bypass valve, or flow control valve. Number 7, i-turn on ang on. Number 8, and last, monitoring and checking for any abnormalities. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.